What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up an affiliate program for your store. Another word that I like to use for it is a brand ambassador program, but this is a really awesome way to generate free traffic for your store. What's really cool about this is you acquire the customer or the lead as an affiliate, and once they're an affiliate, they're actually going to send you free traffic to your store. And the best part about this is you are not paying for this traffic at all. It's entirely free. And you only make payments to your affiliates when they actually refer a friend or refer a follower and make a sale. So it's a really, really awesome way to grow your store and your grow your sales and also your leads, your email list, your messenger list, whatever. So this video is actually going to be part one of a two-part series. The second video is going to be talking about ManyChat, and in this video right now we are going to be going over reversion. So you definitely want to stay around to the very end. There's going to be a lot of really important stuff. I'm going to go through the entire setup start to finish, explain why I set everything up the way that I do, and what changes you can make in regards to making it specific for your business. So definitely stay to the very end. Also, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want to be notified for upcoming videos, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you are notified when all my new training videos and videos in general come out. So without further ado, I'm going to hop right into the setup. So the first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, have your Shopify store open. And we want to install the Reversion app. So I'm just going to go to bit.ly/reversion. And once we go to this link, it's going to take me to the Reversion page where we can get a 14-day free trial. So you don't need to enter your email here to subscribe. You'll just click this X and click try free for 14 days. So once you click this, you'll have to choose the e-commerce platform you're using. Some people might be using WooCommerce, but I imagine a lot of you guys are using Shopify. I strongly encourage you guys to use Shopify as well. So we will just choose that Shopify option. And then we want to enter our store URL. So what I will do is just go over here and copy it from my demo store. And once we copy this URL, we'll just paste it in here and click continue. And it's going to ask what plan we want. Now, this plan is okay to start with, but for my affiliate program, I'm actually allowing each affiliate to create their own unique discount code when they sign up. And to do that, you need to be on the more expensive plan. Both of them are going to come with a 14-day free trial. So I strongly encourage you guys to use the more expensive plan during the trial and find out if it's right for you. The really important thing about this is being able to make a custom discount code for your affiliates to share with their friends and family, because that's really going to help boost your conversion rate and build trust with the affiliate's followers and the affiliate. So I'm going to click switch to professional plan, and then I'm going to click continue. And next we're going to just install the app in our store, and we will then approve the charge. So it's going to be, like I said, a 14-day free trial, so the charge is going to be $0, but we will be approving the charge that will be starting of $89 after the free trial is over. So I'm just going to approve the charge. And let's see here. So we want to enter our information. I am going to put my Reversion subdomain. For this, you want to put whatever your custom domain is. So my custom domain, and if you for some reason can't remember, you can just go to online store and domains. And I have purchased the domain assurancefitness.com. So I recommend you guys use whatever your primary domain is, your primary customized domain. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. And then you want to add .reversion at the end. You just put a dot and it will automatically pop up. Contact information, you want to leave your information. If you have a Google Voice or Skype phone number or a business phone with Grasshopper or something like that, you can put that here. And then you want to add your email. I would just use the email address that is actually tied to your store, that's autofilling. And then you just want to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we will go ahead and click save. And I want to save the password just so I don't forget. Don't have any issues setting this up later. So I'm just going to take a sip of water here. So we will just click continue here. And once we click continue, we're going to add our logo and pick our industry. So I'm just going to pick continue here. And then this is like a fitness store, so I'm just gonna look and see what's the most relevant. Let me see. Healthcare and personal care, nonprofit. Let's see, sports, fitness, outdoors. And then we want to upload our logo. So I am just going to go over to my store and hit preview. This store, I haven't actually made a logo for it. You guys really need a logo. This is just a demo store that I have, so I haven't created one. So you'll definitely want to add a good logo. Let me see. Right now, I'm just going to leave the logo blank. You'll want to have a logo. You'll upload it this size, 250 pixels by 150. Like I said, this is a demo store, so I don't actually have a logo. It's just like plain text up here. And you know what? I'll actually just upload it. I'll just take a screenshot of this and actually upload it so you guys can see kind of what's going on. So we'll just take that screenshot. I will upload this. Let me actually wait for this to go away, the new iOS update. And I want to actually choose the right file. So I'm going to pick that here. And then, so the logo will be added, and then we'll just click save and continue. And now this is the important part. So we want to add our store's URL and the affiliate contact email. So if you have a custom email, whether you set it up from Zoho or GoDaddy, whatever, you'll want to put that here. I believe I set one up for this store, which is support@assurancefitness.com. And then we want to add our domain. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'll add the www dot and then put the domain. Now, right here is really important. This is asking what should your commissions total include. So you want to include shipping and handling if you are doing free plus shipping. And this is really important because let's say you are promoting an item in your store that costs you $3 and you are selling it for $9.95. So if someone buys that product, the total cart value is 0. They're just paying for shipping, so you want to have this ticked. I would not pay commissions on tax because tax is something that has to be paid into your state or local government, your country's government, depending on where you are at. You'll definitely want to talk to an accountant regarding that, who you should pay that sales tax into. But definitely leave this unticked here. And lastly, for discounts, you want to leave this set to subtract. And the reason is, let's say someone uses a $50 off discount code and they bought $100 worth of goods. You only want to pay them the commission, pay the affiliate the commission on the $50 that they generated, not the $100 retail item that they bought that they didn't even pay the full price for. So leave that set like this. And then for right here, I would just leave this no. This is typically for US shops. If your items include VAT, then you'll use this if you're in Europe. And lastly, you'll want to select your currency here. So whatever your store currency is, you can select this. Even if you're using a currency switcher, you want to choose the currency that is shown here in settings general, I believe. Let me see. Yep, so right here, whatever currency is showing here, this is the one that you want to pick inside of Reversion. So we'll just leave it to US dollars for me, and we'll go save and continue. Next, you want to name your offer. So I would just call it like standard affiliate commission or standard brand ambassador commission. And then percentage of sale. This is how much you're going to actually pay your affiliates when they refer someone to your store. So this amount varies. It's entirely up to you. You need to keep in mind your cost of goods. Like what percent markup do you have on your products? For my store and for like other people's store, when I recommend them setting this up, I encourage them to do like 20%. And if you're adding products from AliExpress and you're doing like a 2 to 4x markup, this is not going to interfere with your profits at all. So I'm going to choose 20% here. And then automatically approve commissions, I would say no, just because if someone makes an order and it ends up being fraudulent, they do a chargeback or they place the order and then ask for a refund. You don't want to pay out commissions on stuff that you refunded. So leave that set to no. For the advanced settings, these commission terms, this is important if you want to get your store listed inside the Reversion marketplace. So Reversion actually has a marketplace where affiliates can go that are looking for new products to promote. So that will help get free traffic, even more free traffic for your affiliate program, get more signups and more affiliates in the door. But to do that, you have to have your commission terms clearly typed out. I'm going to leave that blank for right now. I'm not a lawyer, so I can't really comment on like the specifics of this. But generally speaking, you want to cover like when your affiliates are going to get paid out, what is acceptable. When it comes to promoting your products, you want to make sure they're representing your brand and your products in a truthful way. And then lastly, like basically how long after the sale is made, you're going to actually pay those commissions out. What sort of things are going to what sort of actions, if the affiliate does, are you not going to make payment for, and so on. You'll also want to mention like the cookie days in there and stuff like that. But I'm going to leave that blank for right now. Not super important to list it inside of the marketplace because you can actually promote it on Facebook to a really specific target audience, or to your past buyers, your past customers, your followers, and your fans on Facebook. So it's not like do or die if you are in the marketplace or if you're not. So for the cookie days, definitely just leave this set to 30. This is basically after someone, a customer or a potential customer clicks one of your affiliate links, how long are you tracking that customer and going to give the sale to the affiliate that got the click or sent the traffic. So I would just leave this to 30 days. That's a typical cookie window. And then let's click save and continue. Next, we can customize the colors of the affiliate page. My logo here doesn't look very great. You'll want to upload your logo as a PNG without a background, but since I don't actually have a logo with this store and it's just text, like the name of the business, I just took that screenshot. And the colors, entirely up to you. For me, I'm just going to leave like link color blue and leave everything set to default. Maybe just turn the background to white. Just so everything kind of matches. We got this blue here and blue here. If you have like a color that your brand logo is in, or a color that's predominant on your product pages, like your add to cart button is always blue or red or pink or whatever, you'll want to probably match that same style, look, and feel here, but not super important. Don't overthink it too much. And once we're done with that, we'll just click save and continue. And now on this page, this is basically your sign up link. So you can actually share this link and affiliates can go here to sign up. So if we click this to copy and we go here, you'll see that same page that we just created, which has like first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, and then the affiliate commissions details over here, as well as a login link. So this is the affiliate sign up page, which is great. But what we want to do is we want to add this page inside of your store and also add it to your store's navigation. So what I'm going to do now is actually close out of this, and I'm going to go to manage, and I'm going to go to offers, I believe. Let me see. And then go to registration. Nope, excuse me. It's been a little while since I set this up. We want to go to channels. The other menu confuses me too. Channels, and then we want to go to affiliate registration. And then right here, we can actually say, let me see, custom third party. No, it's not here either. There's a way to, give me 1 second. Let me see how I can do this. Promote your performance test, sign up. Just give me 1 second, guys. I do apologize for this. There is basically a way. Affiliate sign up. There we go. So you'll click the affiliate sign up link here. Kind of confusing because there's like manage, channels, and all these places that talk about the registration page. But you'll go to dashboard and you'll click affiliate sign up. I knew it was here somewhere. And you'll click this, and then right here you will click embed sign up form onto your website. So you'll click this. You'll just copy this little line of code. Don't worry if you're a little, don't know a lot about code. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is just copy that line of code, and then you'll go to online store, pages, and you'll create a page. So I would just say like for brand ambassadors, or you could say become a brand ambassador. And then that's a little bit better. And then here, I'm going to click show HTML, and then we're just going to paste this in here and click save. So now if we go to this page, it will be our website, our Shopify store. We'll have our navigation up here, and then we'll have our sign up form. So now that we have this created, the last thing to do is just to add a link down to the footer right here. So we'll just close out of this tab, and we will go to navigation, footer menu, and then add menu item, and just click, whoop, we don't need to actually type it there. Want to do it down here, just type brand, and you'll see the link that you just made. You'll click that, and the link will automatically be named this. And you'll just click add, and wherever you want to add it, you can just drag it up or down. I'm going to put it first here, just so it's a little bit higher on the page. And then let's reload this page so you guys can see basically what that is doing. So right here, you'll see become a brand ambassador, search, terms of service, all this stuff right here. So that is what you want to see. And if someone clicks that link, whoops, then you will now see the sign up page as well. And if someone clicks login, it will send them to the full version so they can log in, see their dashboard, and that type of stuff. So that's it for like the basic setup. Now what I want to do is actually add right here a form field that says unique discount code or discount code. So when the person is signing up, they're actually able to create a discount code with their name, maybe with their nickname, whatever. So I'm gonna go here, back into Reversion, and I'm going to go to account, and I'm gonna go to settings, and down here underneath Shopify, I am actually going to use this option. Now I had this issue last time when I was doing this training with Brandon, and a little backstory on that. I actually recorded this already with Brandon, someone from our e-commerce community starting from zero, and the recording didn't save. So luckily I ran into this issue before and I know how to solve it. So when I signed up, I chose the more expensive plan, that 14-day free trial. And for whatever reason, it still thinks I'm on the cheap plan. So to actually get this option to show up, you just have to clear your cookies or cache. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to open a new incognito window. And I'm just going to go to this same exact link that I'm on and then just log in again. So let me just minimize this. And I'm going to log in here. And once I log in, now when we go to account and then we go to settings, you will notice that this Shopify setting is here. And we're actually able to do the automatic discount code and everything like that. So the first settings here that I think are really important, this is in beta, but I do turn it on. I turn this on. What this is going to do is show link clicks and stuff inside of Shopify for reporting purposes. So that is pretty cool. We'll hit save there. Here, if an order gets canceled, Reversion will automatically revoke the commission. So we want to click save here. It'll issue that negative credit, which is really important. And then right here, we want to set up Shopify discount code creation. So I'm going to click yes whenever a coupon code trigger is created in Reversion. And then down here, we want to leave our Shopify store selected and choose what type of discount we want to offer. So it's best to offer percentage off here, especially if you're going to be doing free plus shipping as well. If you do like $10 off or you do free shipping and someone finds a free item in your store that they just pay shipping for, that $10 off coupon code is going to make the order free. And obviously if the shipping is free and the item is already free, they're not going to pay anything for the item. So we want to use percentage off. And then we want to set the value of what we want the coupon code to be. In most cases, I recommend using 20%. You will have to enter it as a negative number like it mentions here. So minus 20, that means 20% off. And then you want to apply it to the entire order. I would leave the usage limit set to 0, so it can be used an infinite amount of times. For enabled collections, I would leave that blank. And then single use per customer, that's entirely up to you, but I would leave that unticked because my prices are set with these discounts in mind, so I'm still making profit if someone is using these discounts. And the great thing about the percentage off discounts, they do not work on free plus shipping. So it's not going to interfere with your free plus shipping offers or anything like that. It's just going to say like coupon code not valid for this product, whatever. So it's up to you. You could have it set up and tell your affiliates like, hey, share this discount code with your followers to get 20% off their first order. But I personally just leave this unticked. And then that's it. We'll just click Save Changes. And now we have this created. So the next step is actually to add this custom form field to the sign up page. So when the user actually enters their name, their email address, their password, they can create the discount code right then and there. So I am going to go here to dashboard, or excuse me, I'm going to go to channels now, and I'm going to go to affiliate registration page. Then here I'm going to click custom form fields and add custom field. And then right here we want to set this to auto conversion trigger coupon. For the field type, standard text box, it's the only option. That's what we want. We want to make it required, and then the label is just like the helper text. So I would just say unique discount code, and then maybe put something like first name plus 20, just to kind of get them to use something with the number 20 at the end, and they'll know to put their first name here. So we'll just click create. And now if we go back to our store, which is not in the incognito window, we can actually pull up, or just reload this, and you'll notice now there is a unique discount code first name plus 20 option here. So now when someone actually signs up, they can actually choose what they want their discount code to be. Let's say Mike is signing up. He can put his first name Mike, last name whatever, and then here he can put Mike 20, and that will be his discount code to share with his friends and followers. So this is a really, really important feature to have set up. I'm going to go back to the incognito window so we have the full version of this, all the features. So for the setup, that's pretty much it. There's a couple other things that will be beneficial, and I can put links below if you guys want to sign up for these services. But obviously, PayPal payouts, if you guys are doing, I think it's like you're paying out over $1,000 or $2,000, you can do PayPal payouts, and this is like an automatic way to pay out affiliates all at once. That way you don't have to like manually copy and paste their PayPal email and make these payments. So that's something that you might want to set up later after you grow your affiliate program and you have more commissions to pay out. Shopify, obviously we just set that up. You want to use that. MailChimp, you'll want to link your MailChimp account with this. There's really good help docs here. If you're using MailChimp, definitely set that up. I personally use Klaviyo. It gets a little bit better inbox rate, and you also are able to import a lot more info into Reversion, or from Reversion into Klaviyo. So if you're going to use Klaviyo, or I strongly encourage you guys to use Klaviyo because it will get higher inbox rate when you're emailing these people. But once you fill this all out, the same sort of thing, really, really good help doc here, really easy setup. But you'll want to tick all of these so you can import all the information that is inside of Reversion. But yeah, like I said, I'll put a link down below for Klaviyo as well, so you can sign up and get a free trial if you're interested in testing it out. I believe it's free up to like 200 subscribers or X amount of emails per month. So if you're just starting out, that's a really, really good autoresponder to start out with. I can also put a link down below for MailChimp. But I do have to warn you, MailChimp does get a little bit worse inbox rate compared to Klaviyo. And also it doesn't have all the segmentation options that Klaviyo has. You can do really, really advanced stuff inside of Klaviyo. If you guys are interested in a Klaviyo training video, comment down below and let me know. And that might be something that I can get recorded for you guys and put out if there's enough interest. Reversion API, don't need to do anything here. And as far as this goes, the last thing, we just really want to customize the emails that go out to each customer. So under channels, we want to go to email, and there's basically a couple emails that are going to go out. So there is new affiliate, and this is when someone actually is signed up and they're approved to join your affiliate program. So when someone applies, they actually show up here, and let me actually go here and just fill out some dummy data right now so you guys can see the flow of this. So I'm just going to put test and then tester, and then we'll put like test at yahoo.com, and then I'll just create a password. Let me actually create the same password for both so it will go through. Discount, let's say, excuse me, test 20, and probably should put a T. I am not a robot, and then we'll click apply. So once the user applies here, they will actually see this page that says success. Thank you for your registration. We are reviewing your account and we'll get back to you shortly. So at that point inside of manage affiliates, you will see that there's an affiliate that is pending. So you will have to then either approve or deny this affiliate. And once you approve or deny the affiliate, an email will be sent out. So here, let me actually kind of fix this in the middle. Once you actually approve someone, they will actually receive this email right here. So we want to kind of customize these emails just a little bit. I'm going to go into pending affiliate and I'm just going to customize it. So, hi, first name. Thank you for signing up for our affiliate program. Your account is currently being reviewed. If you're approved, you'll receive a welcome email from us containing login instructions. So I think this is a pretty good email. You could also put like a discount code here for them to use, like to thank them for signing up. And matter of fact, that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to create 2 more discount codes for this. And they're just going to be like static discount codes. It's just one discount code. It never changes. So I'm going to go into discounts. And I'm just going to say, let's do like sign up 20. Sign up 20. And then percentage, we'll do 20% off. I'm going to leave it to entire order. No minimum requirement. Everyone can use it. Leave this stuff blank. So I'll just do that. And I'm going to get shareable link, and I'm going to show you guys what's really awesome about these links here in a minute. But if we hop back on over here, we can actually say add in, like let's say to show you how to show you, and we could copy their name, to show you Connor, or to show you whatever their first name is, how much we appreciate your support, comma, we want to offer you 20% off your next purchase with us. And then here you can put like use code, and I'm just going to paste this up. I accidentally got rid of the link. I want to get the link again. Whoops. And okay, so here I'm going to just paste the link so I can mess with this in a second, show you guys what this link actually does. But I'm going to say use code signup20 in all caps, signup20 at checkout to redeem your savings. And then right here, I am going to just like make this bold so it stands out. Maybe this whole thing, make this all bold, underline the discount code or something here. And then down below, I'm going to put like some text, and I don't want this to be bold. Actually, whatever. I'll just say shop and save now. Shop and save now by going to, and I'm going to put a colon, and then put a link here. So if someone actually goes to this link, what's really, really cool is it's going to automatically apply the discount code when they reach the checkout. So let's say I go here and I want this barbell product here, weightlifting shoulder pad, and I pick the color, like let's say yellow, whoops, and I click add to cart, and I click checkout. That discount code will automatically be applied over here, which is great and all, but obviously we never want to send people directly to the homepage when we're telling them to shop. We want to send them directly to a product page or a collection page so they're that much closer to actually making the purchase on your store. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste this link. And let me actually get another link here. So I'm going to go to catalog, and this will show all my products. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste that special link. So it just is yourwebsite.com/discount/ whatever your discount code is. And then here I'm going to put a question mark, and I'm going to say redirect equals, and I'm going to put /collections/catalog, which is the ending of the link for this page. So now if I go to this link, you'll notice we're on this page, and if we add the product to cart again, it will automatically apply that discount code. So we're actually able to apply the discount code, but not only that, we're able to send them to whatever page we want by putting that page here. So if there's maybe you want to give them 20% off on one specific product, you could put /product, whatever that product URL is here at the end. So I'm just going to copy this and go back into Reversion, which I have it open here, and I'm going to add this to this email. So I'm going to say shop and save now, and I'm going to say by, let's say, clicking the following link, and I'm just going to put the link, and to make sure the link actually works, I am going to link it to the exact same page, and then I'm going to make it bold so it stands out a little bit more. And then we'll just leave this email. So I think that's pretty good for this one. We want to leave the email status turned on, and we will click Save Changes. Now, so this is what goes out when someone actually applies. So we're like thanking them for their support for applying, and we're giving them a discount code, whatever. Now, when someone actually gets approved as an affiliate, we want to kind of remind them of what their discount code is, share their affiliate link, and kind of educate them a little bit as well. So right here, I'm going to say thank you for. I'm going to say I'm going to get rid of this and say like congrats. You have been approved for our brand ambassador program. I'm going to put an exclamation point. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to work on that in a second. I want to just rename this one. So I'm going to say thank you for signing up for our brand ambassador. I think it sounds a little bit better than affiliate, and it just works out a little bit better. So I want to see here your brand ambassador. This is the subject. Account is pending. You can add in a bunch of other dynamic tags if you want. I wouldn't add anything else here though. And then for this one, I just want to finish working on this one. I'm going to say welcome to our brand ambassador program. Whoops. And then here, I am going to just leave welcome. And then I'm going to say congrats, you have been approved for our brand ambassador program. You may access your affiliate dashboard at this URL. I'm going to say, let's see, since you are now part of our family or team, I'm going to say family, comma, let's say, since you are now part of our team, we want to offer you a special discount, a special friends, I guess we could say employee or team member. Since you are now part of our, let's change this to family. Since you are now part of our family, we want to offer you a special team member discount. And then I'm going to say like this discount is only for you, comma, so please do not share with friends and family. Your friends and family 20% off discount is the code you created when you signed up. So I'm just going to review this. Since you are now part of our family, we want to offer you a special, I'm going to say special, let's do, for this, the discounts, you really want to structure them in a way that makes sense. So here I would give them a bigger discount than what you're giving on your order receipt, a bigger discount than what you're giving on your profit multiplier. But obviously you also want to give something that makes sense, that you're going to make profit from. So let's just say 60% off for this one, a special 60% off team member discount. And then I'm going to just say use code, let's say team 60, and then put at checkout to redeem your savings. And I'm going to just do the same exact thing. So shop and save now by going to the following link. And then I'm going to put that link. So we're going to go here, and I need to go back to my Shopify, and I need to create a new discount code. So I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to do team 60, and I'm going to do 60% off. And I'm going to copy the shareable link again. I'm going to modify it a little bit to send to the collection page like I did. So I'm going to just paste it, put question mark redirect equals, and then slash collections slash catalog. I'm going to copy this, and I want to add this to the email, and I'm going to make this all bold actually, and then I'm going to link this, and oops, that did not work. Link, and then press enter. There we go. So I'm basically giving them this discount, welcoming them to the team. Now we want to educate them a little bit more. So down here, I'm going to say you may access your affiliate dashboard at any time. I'm going to say just in case you forgot your tracking discount code, that you created upon sign up, comma, your discount code to share with friends, family, and followers is, and then what you can do is right here, I am going to go to dynamic tags and I'm going to copy this right here. So this will actually plug in whatever their discount code is they created. And I'm just going to paste that. Let's actually paste it right here, space. And then let's see, I'm going to say any sales that come through your using your link or discount code. I'm going to say actually you will earn, remember you will earn 20% of all sales that come through using your link or special tracking discount code. And then I'm just going to say thanks again, something like that. And then their referral tracking link will be down here. So it will say your tracking link. They can just share it right to Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, wherever. And so tracking information, I would do show, referral link show, email status on, and then you want to click save changes. So that's pretty much it for this email. Denied, these other ones you can customize later. That's once you actually start making sales and stuff. But for the most part, those are ready to go. But yeah, so that is it for the setup for Reversion. And that wraps up this first video. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and also to use the link down below in the description. That way we can get people to sign up through my affiliate link. It is affiliate link. I do receive a kickback, but I do hope that you guys got enough value out of this training that you feel like I'm worthy for that commission. And on top of that, the more people that sign up with the link, the more leverage I'm going to be able to have with Reversion. And I'll also be able, or hopefully be able to, negotiate special pricing for us or a longer free trial, something like that, once I get a lot of people that have signed up through my link. But yeah, like I said, that's it for this video. Hope to see you guys in the next one. I'll put all links down below for all the software tools that I was referring to in this video, and I will also put a link to the next video as well. So be sure to check out the second part of this training. It's really, really important and does a lot of awesome stuff with ManyChat that will help you grow your affiliate program, make more sales, and stay in tune and keep all of your affiliates up to date with what's going on with your store. So that's it for this one. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye for now.